I'm John Crouch. I'm the Director of Facilities for Florida Hospital Wesley Chapel. I've been in healthcare management for 15 years. We're in the Med-Surg unit on 3rd floor, southeast wing, just to the east of Tampa, about 20 minutes, and this happens to be room 3009. It does not matter what facility you go to. The maintenance staff has a need to access the blueprints to figure out how something was designed or built, or what's behind the sheetrock, or above the ceiling, or below the floor. The big challenge is working with paper plans. How are they organized? Are they easily organized? Usually those hard copies are not all going to be in the same room. You're going to have owner's manuals and warranties in an obscure location. The typical staff member would waste easily up to 45 minutes. Time is money. We're not as productive when we spend a lot of time doing a task that should only be a couple minutes. Can you find the information you need and do something with it in a timely manner? The ARC solution is intended to be mobile. Typically what happens is when I want to look at blueprints or owner's manuals, I've got to go back to an area in the hospital to do that. That could be a 12-minute walk from where you're going to get the information you need. Then you get to start the searching. Having the ARC solution on an iPad to find all the information they need, that's going to make a huge difference in the efficiency of time. My security officers are also receiving the ARC solution. So their early days on the job as a security officer, they're already orientated. Sometimes emergencies happen on your first day on the job, and sometimes 20 years go by before an emergency happens on your watch. You have an obligation to take advantage of technologies that are out there to make your staff safer. And there's nothing faster than using an iPad, preventing catastrophic damage and the potential for greater injury. I want to talk to my peers in facilities management. We need to be thinking as leaders about the future of our organization, and it starts with investing in a platform that is transportable to the future. The focus has to be on the efficiency of operation, and it has to be on the patient care. How fast can I get the repair action accomplished? We can't think about just today. We have to think about what's this building going to look like in 20, 30 years from now. Are we doing the right thing? And how we are assimilating information about its historical structure and how it was built, and making that information easy to find. It's simple. Why? Because we have a simple solution, the ARC solution.